I'm Willie Bach, Lord Bach. I'm Shadow Justice Minister. I was Minister for Legal Aid in the last government. Well, it's very bad news for ordinary people. Our worst fears have really come to pass, where we hoped that the government would listen as a result of all the consultation and all the 5,000 different bits of advice it received. What it's actually done is take very little notice of any of them, very minor changes made, and the effect on ordinary people who have ordinary problems, ordinary legal problems that need solving, is very bad indeed. So it's up to us in Parliament, in both houses of Parliament, to make sure that this rotten bill, as rotten as far as the legal aid part of it's concerned, is changed and changed radically before it becomes law. The people who will suffer most are the poor, the marginalised. They will, in effect, be deprived of access to justice. Much worse than that will be the fact that their problems they have, their cluster of problems that they have, the social welfare law through the legal aid system has looked after up till now. Those clusters of problems will not be looked at, will not be dealt with in the same way. Those problems, in some cases, will get worse and will actually cost the state much, much more money than if they'd continued with sensible legal aid for social welfare law. They are decimating, destroying social welfare law. That is really not good enough. It's danger of making us a much more uncivilized country when we should be looking to become more civilized. Well, I'd like to see the legal aid cuts in social welfare law reversed. We should be spending actually more on social welfare law, not less. There are other savings to be made. The Law Society has shown that. There are other people who've shown that. We have ideas for that. But the one area that we refuse to cut when we're in government and increased is social welfare law. And the government should reverse their cuts in social welfare law at once. Well, I don't know what the timetable will be, except the government will want to have this as law by April, early May next year. All I can say is that I know my colleagues in the House of Commons will fight this all the way, and when the bill does come to the House of Lords, we're going to fight it too, extremely hard, because this is about ordinary people, about poor people who are having their rights taken from them.